In this video, I will show you 2 easy ways to convert a scanned PDF into a text document using OCR feature. One method will involve Microsoft OneDrive and the other one Tenorshare PDNob. OCR, or optical character recognition, is a feature that turns scanned images into text documents. So right now we are within my drive. I have this scanned image here. This is what it looks like. And now I would like to turn this into an editable Word document. So let's open Word Online. Now I have a blank document, and now I will open my PDF. So all you need to do is you need to search for it here, select the document. And now Word Online is saying that it is going to do it, is going to use the OCR feature to turn this PDF into a Word document, and it will be saved in my OneDrive. So I'm just going to click open. All you need to do now is just to go back to your OneDrive, and there you go, the document is right here. So let's have a look. This is the Word copy of the scanned PDF. As you can see, the formatting is shifted. It's not ideal, but you can extract the text and you can start making edits. If you're looking for a more professional way to do it with nice and clean formatting preserved, then jump to Tenorshare, just click OCR PDF, select your file, select the page range, the document language, and then click Perform OCR. So this is the Word version of the scanned PDF created by Tenorshare PDF. I can change anything here. I can even replace this picture. So all editable, very easy, very quick. If you want to learn more about PDF document management, check out our channel and the description down below.